Hey guys, I am coming into our room. It's 10138Z. It is a sea terrace. I'll give you all a little view of that. We have the closet, which is actually not a closet. It's got a little curtain there. And this is the bathroom. Very spacious, very nice. We also have the rain. Big comfy bed. We have a TV. All of your stuff goes. Lights there. And what's really fun and interesting about this is all of this is controlled by this pad that is here. You can open and close the curtains. You have mood lighting, ambient lighting. All controlled by the pad. And also, you can control the temperature. I really like that. It's a really neat feature. But this is our room. As she's showing you, you can play with the lighting. It's really, really neat. We do have a balcony. It's they call a sea terrace. With a swing, hammock if you want to call it that.